You're going to be completing very easy tasks in just under a minute, and you can do this from anywhere around the world. You could be earning from $20 to $50, and I'm so excited to share another platform where you're going to be able to make money just from the comfort of your own home. I know you guys love these types of videos, and that's exactly why I'm bringing it back to you once again. So if you want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure that you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. The platform that I want to talk about and share with you guys is called OneForma. Now, OneForma is part of FactorEdge, a global digital and technology services company headquartered in Redmond, Washington, USA. Now, their core capabilities are in data intelligence, experience, and globalization, providing inventive solutions in AI and digital transformation space with a vast network of collaborators in over 200 countries and clients from all over the world, okay? FactorEdge provides human-centered solutions to complicated business problems. OneForma lets you work as a freelancer and earn money by doing small tasks online. And I'm going to show you everything step by step. But here's the app, and you guys have to remember again, this app is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store, so you don't even have to worry. And I'm going to be using my laptop, okay? So this is their website, jobs.onforma.com. It says here to work whenever and wherever you choose. Now, how are we going to start making money with the OneForma, okay? First, we're going to have to create an account, of course. And after we create an account, we're going to have to look for freelancing jobs. And that's it. That's how easy the entire process is in a bubble, basically. Now, we're going to create an account. We're going to click on sign up. And we just have to put in our information there, our name, username, email address, password, native languages, country of residence, and city. And once you're done filling that up, we just have to agree to the terms and conditions that they have. And there are also some NDAs that we need to sign. Now we're going to start with the first one. You're going to read these terms and conditions to make sure that you're able to understand them properly. And then in the end, you're just going to sign the document. And we're going to have to do the same for the second document. Sign this, agree on the final point, then click on yes, please. And I want to join the OneForma community, and then you're going to be brought to this page where it's going to basically tell you that there's one more step, which is going to be your email verification. You're going to receive an email within 24 hours, and then you're just going to click on the link to activate your OneForma account, and you're then going to be brought right away into the login page. Now we're going to start by logging in. And this is your dashboard. The moment you've signed up, certifications will be found under My Tasks. Now, these certifications are available to you if you can translate French, English, for example. You can take these because you can use them to apply for, potential freelancing work that you're going to find here. And in the In Progress tab, you're going to see all jobs that are currently in progress. For the available projects, they have data collection. You're going to be asked to compile or send them files like images, movies, voice recordings, or anything that can help AI technology. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because I know you guys will love the surprise that I have for you there. So if you guys want to earn some more money every day, make sure you check the description box down below. Also, I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us, in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use. Are you an Android or an iOS user? And while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments, and I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. Now, transcription, okay, a term that is familiar to a lot of the freelancers here. You're going to be required to convert audio and video to text, okay? In addition, they have internet judging, and this assignment will just require you to answer questions about a particular website to see how useful it is for translation. If you're someone who is fluent in another language, you can also work with translating documents and any other files. And testing in this section, you're going to test apps, websites. They're usually new apps and websites that had just been developed. As a result, before releasing it to the market, the clients will require help. And in sites, they also have a lot of other projects that aren't listed here yet. And OneForma is also on the App Store and Google Play Store, like I said. And you can just use your phone without hesitation. Now, they have yours as well, as you can access this page by clicking here. Is an acronym, okay? UHRS is an acronym, or yours is an acronym for Universal Human Relevance System. And this is a web-based platform for online jobs that let you make money by doing simple tasks, okay? UHRS is a great way to bolster your income. However, OneForma already has so many tasks, so it's fine if you don't want to perform the UHRS tasks anymore. But if you are interested, you can easily apply. Now, to be able to start making additional money by doing these tasks, you're going to click on jobs from the menu, and we can see all the job openings over here. Now, if you take a look at the example of data collection jobs, there are quite a number of data collection projects that are available. You can see the languages that are available for project here. It's French, this one written in English, and you can definitely check this one out. But there are a lot of opportunities in the different sections as well, like under the judging and grading and translation category. There are lots of jobs for you that you can do, but for the sake of today's video, I'm going to do the data collection job. So we're going to take a look at this. Click the arrow button. We'll find all the details about the job posting over here, the date, when it was published, when they'll be available, until what date. There are 7 openings as well. As a result, the cost of which is this one. So you're going to see if any certifications are required, and if they don't need any certification for a specific project, even if we don't have a certification, we can participate and apply, okay? Now, participants are needed to do keyword recognition according to the description, or whatever it is that says there. Obviously, that's what you're gonna do, okay? If you guys are loving this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our video so far, and if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment them down below, because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyways, let's finish up today's video, shall we? Now, these are the qualifications. You're going to see the qualifications, the requirements, the compensation, and if you think you're able to complete this project, you can definitely apply. You're going to find all the skills and certifications that are available under the certifications and surveys category. Certain certifications would be required for some of the projects, but you can get them here. And under my jobs category, you're going to see the pending or in progress jobs, completed jobs, and rejected or expired jobs. We're going to take a look at the My Profile tab. The payment information tab is the most important part here. Now, they offer Payoneer as one of their initial and main methods of payment, but they do still accept others like PayPal. But there is a prerequisite for PayPal. Your annual income cannot be more than $300. And finally, you can also use your bank account to get the payment right away into your bank account. And the typical compensation rate here is between $20 to $50 per project completed. Of course, the difficulty, location, and language of the activity will also play into its part. So make sure you try this website out, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.